Hello my friends, welcome to solve this math problem, which is x is equal to square root of x to power of square root of x to find the values of x. In the first step, we write x is equal to, in here we write this square root of x as x to power of 1 over 2 and to power of square root of x. In next step, from exponential rule, if we have a to power of m to power of n. In here, we can write this as a to power of m times n. So, in here, we can write this as x is equal to x to power of 1 over 2 times the square root of x, and it will be the square root of x over 2, right? And in next step, we apply log to both sides of this equation. So it will be log of x is equal to log of x to power of the square root of x over 2. And from log rules in here, if we have log of a to power of b, this is equal to b times log of a. In here, we can take this power outside of this log and it will be b times log of a. So, in here, it will be log of x is equal to, we can take this square root of x over 2 outside of this log. So, it will be square root of x over 2 times log of x. And in next step, we take this to this side and it will be log of x minus square root of x over 2 times log of x is equal to 0. In next step, we factor log of x and it will be this divided by log of x, it will be 1. And this divided by log of x, it will be negative square root of x over 2 is equal to 0. And here, log of x times this, it will be 0. So we have two solutions for x. Log of x is equal to 0, or 1 minus square root of x over 2 is equal to 0. From here, if we have log of a to base b is equal to c, in here, this is equal to, we can write this as a is equal to b to power of c, right? And here, log of x, this log base is 10, right? So, in here, x is equal to 10 to power of 0. So 10 to power of 0 and 10 to power of 0 is 1. So x from here is 1. And here we take this to this side, so it will be 1 is equal to the square root of x over 2. And next step, we multiply both sides of this equation by 2, so it will be 1 times 2, it will be 2. And this times 2, this 2 will cancel, and it will be the square root of x. And next step, we square both sides of this equation, and it will be this to power of 2 and this to power of 2. So we write this to power of 2 and this to power of 2. 2 to power of 2 is 4, and this to power of 2, this square root will cancel, and it will be x. So we find two values for x. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.